Hey, my third grade mathematicians, well, welcome to another day of measurement. We are going to take a look at our math focus points, and then we're going to talk about using measuring tools that are longer than a ruler, okay? All right, so let's take a look at our math focus points. So today we're going to be focusing on generating measurement data by measuring lengths longer than the measuring tool. We're going to do a lot of exciting things. You're going to jump and measure how far you jump. You are going to be flipping a coin, and you're going to be measuring the classroom, okay? You're going to still be working on understanding the relationship between feet and inches, and then also combining feet and inches to get a total measurement, okay? So with measuring the classroom or measuring how far you can jump, you may choose to use a longer tool rather than a ruler. Remember, a ruler is 12 inches long. That is equal to 1 foot, okay? So if we're measuring the classroom, we'd have to use a lot of feet or a lot of rulers to measure, okay? But you may also choose to use a yardstick, okay? A yardstick is 36 inches long. So how many feet is 1 yard? Well, here's 1 foot, 12 inches. Okay. And if I add 12 more, that gets me to 24 inches, and that's equal to 2 feet. Okay. And if I add 12 more, that gets me to 36 inches, so that's 3 feet. So 1 yard is 3 feet, okay, or 36 inches, okay? So let's see here. Let's say that I want to measure the height of this board, okay? Now, I know a yardstick's going to be easy to use because I can start at the bottom, okay, and make sure it's even. And I get just about 22 inches, okay? But let's say that I was using a ruler, okay? So I have one ruler here, but it's not long enough. So what can I do when what I'm measuring is longer than my measurement tool? I can use another measuring tool. I can get another ruler, or I can make a mark where my ruler ends. So that's what I'm going to do here. So right here is 12 inches. So I can either get another ruler, or I can move this ruler. So if I get another ruler, I can just add on. Now, I'm not going to lay my ruler on top or go zigzag or leave a gap. I want to make sure I line up as precisely as I can. So I have 12 inches on my first ruler, okay, and then 10 more inches. So 12 inches plus 10 inches would be 22 inches, and that's what we got with our yardstick. So sometimes you're going to be measuring things that are longer than your measurement tool. I'm sure you'll find that out with your jumps, okay? All right, so just before we get started with our activities, I want to just make sure that you understand the equivalent measurements. So 1 yard is equal to 3 feet, and that's equal to 36 inches, okay? And so also taking note that 1 foot is equal to 12 inches, okay? So as you're measuring, you can come back to this video and use this to help you find your measurements in yards or feet or inches. Okay? All right, guys, I can't wait to show you the activities for today. So until then, happy measuring.